I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
Finally, Joy, we are cooking one of our viewers' long-time request. And it happens to be the Philippines' national dish.
And the most popular and favorite Filipino dish.
Adobo! Adobo came from the Spanish word adobar, which means to marinate or pickling sauce.
There are different kinds of variations of adobo. There's adobong puti, no soy sauce, just vinegar,
Adobong tuyo or dry.
and or adobo sagata, which is like with coconut milk.
But today we are cooking a simple adobo with quail eggs. Yummy quail eggs! That's our favorite. So let's get started. So these are our ingredients.
Chicken thighs, these are 5 pounds chicken thigh trimmed. I took some of the skins and fats, 2 cans of quail eggs, 2/3 cups of soy sauce, 2/3 cups of vinegar, 2/3 cups of water.
And here we have 10 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon crushed peppercorn, 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and chopped cilantro for garnish. And we also need olive oil for frying. So okay, Joy, ano nang gagawin natin?
So gagawa muna tayo ng marinade sauce.
Okay.
So ito yung soy sauce.
So
this is
mix lang.
Oo, mix lang muna
So,
natin.
Everything goes into that big bowl.
Yes.
So I can drop this?
Yes,
Okay.
all of that.
Yay!
And then the brown sugar. There you go. I can use that.
Sayang naman to. Ito pa.
Oo,
Sayang
dagdag
pa.
natin siya.
Sabi mo, the more garlic, the better.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
At saka yung peppercorn.
Okay.
Crush. Then we'll mix.
So, mix.
Need that, yeah.
So, ang nandito is vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, peppercorn, and
The brown sugar.
the brown sugar. Got that, guys? Okay. And then, we pour
and then
it.
we pour it here.
Can I pour it?
Sure.
Okay. Here it is. Ganyan lang.
Ganyan lang.
Okay.
Yum.
Do you have to massage the chicken?
Not necessarily. We just have to make sure every thigh is coated with our sauce.
Okay.
Like that.
Pwede
So-
kitang tulungan. I will help you, Joy.
Yes.
So just coat it like that.
Then we will marinate this for 20 minutes. Pero kung may oras kayo, you're not in a rush, you can marinate this for an hour or mas mabuti overnight para kuhang-kuha talaga yung lasa.
So you have choices. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or overnight, the better.
Pero ito, 20 minutes lang. We'll marinate it for 20 minutes.
It's okay, di naman nila matitikman, Joy. So, okay na to.
Okay, so we'll marinate it for 20 minutes.
In the refrigerator or?
In the refrigerator.
Okay.
We'll cover it with saran wrap. And then...
Okay, here's the saran wrap, Joy.
Alright, so we'll marinate this for 20 minutes. Cover natin siya. Just like so. Alright, and we'll be right back.
Ayan na ang chicken after 20 minutes. Ito na, Joy.
So, we preheated the pan. On ko lang uli. Then ngayon, ipa-fry natin yung chicken.
So we will fry the chicken in medium heat.
Medium heat. Then after 20 minutes, here's our chicken. And then of course, we'll add the olive oil. You can use any olive oil that you, any oil that you prefer. Sorry.
Because there's a frying olive oil, like...
Yeah, maraming variation din ng olive oil, but itong olive oil na itong ginagamit natin. So, be very, very careful kasi
Okay.
matalsik talaga to.
I'm going away, Joey.
But, it's gonna be the best adobo ever. So, here you go.
It's worth it. It's worth it.
Yes, it will be worth it. Right there.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad. It's okay. Kasi slowly lang. Slowly fry. We just need to brown them.
So, around how many minutes before it will get brown on one side? Like,
Maybe mga 7 minutes.
7?
Just, sometimes it depends. But this time, just need to see. We're not going to fully cook the chicken kasi
just like
lulutuin lang natin.
brown.
Iba-brown lang siya.
Okay.
Iba-brown lang natin siya.
So, just check it. If it's brown, then turn it the other side.
Okay, Marie. So, we will just flip the other side naman. So, brown.
Oh, look at that. Nice color. Of the todo. The soy sauce.
Yes, the soy sauce. Yan. We'll just brown the skin. Okay, this are done. So we'll just put it on the side and we'll fry the rest
Oh no.
of the chicken.
Ouch. Turn na lang doon. I will spread out the chicken.
Okay. Alright, so we're just removing the excess oil from the chicken. And then we'll turn this back on. And we will add the chicken back to the pan. And make it fit.
One more.
Yes. Good. Yes. And then we will add the sauce and water.
And water?
And water. I have the water there. Okay, natin to. Yan. Let's get all the...
What do you need here?
This one, you can add the water, Marie.
Oh.
Get all that garlic. And then the water, and we will simmer this until boils. And we can also add the
Bay leaves.
bay leaves. And
What else? Cover
it
and wait.
and wait. Alright, so after 20 to 25 minutes, this is our chicken now, adobo. Yeah. So we will scoop out some of the fats, oil from the chicken.
Can you also put it in the ref, like if you have time, so that it will like, remove the white stuff when it's like hard.
Yeah, if adobo is really good the next,
day,
So if
right?
you wanna put sa refrigerator para matanggal niyo yung mga fats.
Okay, let's add the quail eggs. I can't
Alright.
wait.
So, ito na ang quail eggs. We'll just add that and then mix it.
Oh wow. I've never had adobo with quail eggs actually.
Oh, really?
That's why I'm so excited. I love quail
Natin
eggs.
siya.
One of my favorites again.
Parang i-braise natin ngayon yung quail eggs with the chicken.
So Daphne, this one's for you. You've been requesting this.
Yes.
So if you have any requests, guys, just put it in the comment box and we will make it for you. It has to be in the comment box.
So don't forget to put your comment if you have any requests that you want us to make.
No texting, only in the comment box.
Yay. So we'll cover it again just to cook a little bit of the quail eggs. Kasi luto na naman yung quail eggs, but we just want that soy sauce to incorporate sa lasa ng quail eggs. Let's check it out. Wow! Look at that. So
yes.
now, you can mix it and we will drizzle the olive oil. Ang olive oil para lang sa pampabango lang talaga ang olive oil. At saka a little bit
Good
of
smell?
sesame.
So this is sesame oil.
That's sesame oil. Pang flavor na rin. But it's a healthy oil naman siya.
Okay.
Yeah,
To
that's
make
all
it
is done.
fragrant.
Yes, like that. Alright, are you guys ready to try this? So the quail eggs, look at the color na ano na siya.
Brown?
Yung naging brown na siya. Parang na-braise na natin yung egg sa sauce ng adobo natin.
Okay. Bracing the
Alright.
eggs. Okay. Next.
All done.
All
so
done?
Now, yes, that's all done. That's it to it. That's it. So now this is only for garnish. This is cilantro, guys. But
I love
this is
cilantro
optional.
too.
Yes, I do too. Parang maganda yung green.
Yeah.
So that's it, and we're ready to eat.
That's one of the greens I like.
All right. All done. And now we will be serving this to our barkada.
Bon
There.
appetit.
Ready for us?
Yay!
Hey.
Okay. Where do we put this?
That's it.
That's it? Okay.
Yes. Mary, how did you like our adobo with quail eggs?
Thank you for introducing me to this adobo with quail eggs because I really liked it. And I think it will also be good with hard-boiled eggs.
That's right, yes.
So for more yummy recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell. Watch next Monday because we will be cooking Let's
Let's
Plan.
plan!
See you guys next time. Bye.
Dreams